Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now moving on, the next topic that we are going to discuss in this video is the introduction of custom icons in the navigation widget in Elementor Pro 3.7. Now what this feature actually lets you do is it lets you select a custom icon or upload a custom icon and will display it instead of the default hamburger icon. Now to show you this, what I am going to do is I am going to take you to this post in Elementor 3.6, edit it, and we are going to see if this option existed. Now you will find the navigation menu under the site. This is the nav menu widget, and when you will add it, it will generate a navigation menu for you. And here you can see the layout is set to horizontal. We are going to move it to drop down, and you can see there is no option available. For example, this is the toggle button option, and there is no option available to change this icon or upload a upload a custom icon for yourself. Okay, you can see, you can click it and it will take you to none, and if you will select none, it will just display this. Okay, and if you will select this hamburger, then it will display you this icon right over here. Now this has changed in Elementor Pro 3.7, and let me show you this option. I've edited this post. Let's add the navigation menu widget, which is under site nav menu widget right over here. A similar menu is generated. Layout is horizontal. Let's set it to drop down right over here, and you see the toggle button option is hamburger, and right below it is the new option, which is the icon, and you can set it for the normal state and the active state. Okay, so this is the by default hamburger icon, which is selected right over here, and this is for the normal state, and this is the active state, and this is the hover state. You can select the icon for the normal and the active state. Now to set an icon, what you are going to do is you click this icon library, select any of the icons, go to my library, upload one, and insert. Now another way of uploading an icon is go to this option right over here in the media library. You can upload any of the files selected from your computer, or select one from your media library, and then just insert media, and it will display it right over here. Let's set it for active as well. Let's go and let's select this minus right over here, insert it, and that's it, we are done. Now let me just click it. You can see it changes. Click it, it comes back to plus, and click it, it goes back to minus. Now this option is missing in Elementor Pro 3.6, which is this one. You can see the toggle button option is right over here, but there is no option to select or upload a custom icon. See this change right over here, toggle button option, and there is an option to select an icon for the normal and the active state. Now as far as the hover state is concerned, it lets you select the hover animation. So basically it gives you an option to select any of these animations which Elementor provides you with. So you can select one depending on your requirement. For example, grow, and it grows, right? It grows. Okay, so this is basically the new change that has been introduced in Elementor Pro 3.7 for the nav menu widget. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.